Hello, welcome to your speaking test today for the Academy Starters for Unit 5 and 6. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, but before that, can you introduce yourself? What's your name?
My name is Tree.
Your name is Tree, and how old are you, Tree? I'm.
I four,
How old are you? Are you 7, 8? I'm.
seven,
I'm.
and
How old are you?
9.
9. So you say, I'm 9 years old. I'm
I'm 9
years.
old.
Okay, and how are you today, Tree? Are you happy or sad today? I'm
I'm
happy
happy
today.
today.
Again, I'm happy.
I'm happy today.
Okay, good job. So are you ready to begin?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, so great job, Tree. Okay, so we will now start your speaking test. Okay, for the first part of your speaking test, so can you name these objects that you can see? So, Tree, what's this?
A girl.
Yes, can you say it's a skirt?
A girl.
Good job. Okay, how about this tree? What's this?
It's the red.
Good job. Okay, how about this?
It's two.
Yes, they are shoes. And how about this?
It's
Yes. See?
t-shirt.
Yes, it's a t-shirt. How about this tree?
It's
It's trousers.
trouser.
One more time. It's
It's
trousers.
trouser.
Good job. Okay, and this is?
It's jumper.
It's a jumper. They are?
It's sock.
They are socks. It's
It's
shirts.
shirt.
Okay, good job. So you are finished with part 1. Let's move on to part 2. In this part, I will tell you where's the t-shirt. You will click the t-shirt and I will tell you move it to number 1. You will click the picture and move it to number 1. Okay? So 3, where's the dress? Where's the dress? Can you move dress to number 5? Okay, click it first. Click. Yes, click it. All right, very good. 3. Can you click the jumper and move it to number 6? Click it first. Click. All right. Yeah. Oh, please wait. Okay, move it to number 6. Here, number 6. Okay, good job. 3. How about the t-shirt? Move it to number 2. Yes, click the picture first. Click. Number 2. Move it to number 2. Number 2. All right. Good job, 3. How about the socks? Move it to number 4. Socks. No, not the shoes. Socks. Socks. Okay. Good job, 3. How about the skirt? Can you move it to number 3? Yes. Good job, 3. How about the trousers? Can you move trousers to number 7? Okay, good job. 3. How about the shoes? Can you move it to number 1? Okay, good job. And the shirt? Can you move shirt to number 8? All right, good job for the part 2, 3. Let's move on to the part 3. So which one is different or not belong to the group? Which one is not for girls? Picture 1, picture 2, or picture 3, or picture 4? Not for girls.
Pick
1, 2, 3, or 4?
4.
4. Yes. Picture 4 is not for girls. So good job. That's the correct answer. So here, 3. Which one is not for boys? Not for boys. Picture 1, 2, 3, or 4? Not for boys. Yes. Picture 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Picture 2.
Yes, very good. 3. Picture 2 or dress is not for boys. How about here? Which one is not part of our head? Not part of our head. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4?
Picture 1.
Yes, picture 1. Good job. Hand is not part of our head. How about here in this picture 3? Which one is not part of our head? Not part of our head. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4, or
Picture 1.
picture not part of our head. Not part of our head.
Picture 2.
Yes, picture 2 is not part of our head. So very good 3 for the part 3. So let's move on to the last part of our speaking test. Let's answer these questions. What are you wearing today? I am,
Jumper.
again, I am wearing,
I am wearing jumper today.
yes. What color do you like? What color do you like?
Blue.
I like,
I like blue.
you like blue. Okay, okay, what color are your shoes? Oh, no, you have no shoes today,
I
but
like black.
yeah, you say, what color are your shoes? My shoes
My shoes black.
are,
My shoes are black.
good job, 3. What color is your eyes?
My eyes are brown.
Very good. How many hands do you have? I have
I have
two. I
I
have
have 2
hands.
hands.
Yes, one more time. I have 2 hands.
I have 2 hands.
Okay, good job. Who is your friend in our classroom? My my friend
My friend Leo.
is Leo. Okay, and what is he wearing today? He
He
is
is
he is wearing, again, one more time. He is,
wearing.
one more time. He is
He is
wearing
wearing
jacket
jacket
today.
today.
Oh, can you say that again? He is,
He is wearing jacket today.
okay, good job. Does he like blue? Does he like blue?
Yes,
Yes, he does.
yes, he does.
What is the color of your mommy's eye? My
My
mommy's eyes, my mommy's hair, sorry, my mommy's hair
my mommy's hair
is,
is black.
and what color is your daddy's eyes? My
My
daddy's eyes
daddy's eyes
are,
are brown.
okay, good job 3. You did a great job for part 1 until part 4. Job well done. But before we end our speaking test, can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Yes, great job 3. Can you give me a high five? Okay, good job. Bye-bye.